Eating rice every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on factors like portion sizes, type of rice, and overall dietary balance. Here's an overview of what can happen when you consume rice regularly. Number 1. Energy and macronutrient source. Rice is a significant source of carbohydrates, providing your body with energy for daily activities and bodily functions. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is used as fuel by your cells and organs. Number 2. Weight management. Eating rice every day, especially in controlled portions, can help with weight management due to its filling nature and satiety effect. However, excessive consumption or pairing rice with high-calorie accompaniments can contribute to weight gain. Number 3. Nutritional value. Rice contains essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, especially if you opt for whole grain or brown rice. However, refined white rice lacks some of these nutrients due to the removal of the outer layers during processing. Number 4. Digestive health. Brown or whole grain rice contains fiber that aids in digestion, promotes bowel regularity, and may help prevent constipation. Fiber can also support a healthy gut microbiome. Number 5. Blood sugar levels. Eating rice can impact blood sugar levels due to its high carbohydrate content. Brown rice and other whole grains have a lower glycemic index compared to white rice, causing a slower rise in blood sugar levels. Number 6. Gluten-free option. Rice is naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and popular choice for individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. Number 7. Risk of chronic diseases. Consuming whole grain rice may lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer due to its fiber content and potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Number 8. Potential for nutrient imbalance. Relying heavily on rice in your diet may lead to an imbalance in nutrients, particularly if it replaces other essential food groups like fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Number 9. Influence on blood pressure. Brown rice, with its higher fiber content, can contribute to better blood pressure control compared to white rice. This is beneficial for heart health. Number 10. Mineral intake. Rice, especially brown rice, contains essential minerals like manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for bone health, muscle function, and overall well-being. Number 11. Food sensitivities and allergies. While rare, some individuals may have sensitivities or allergies to rice proteins. Common symptoms include digestive issues, skin rashes, or respiratory problems. If you suspect an allergy, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Number 12. Caloric intake. Rice can be calorically dense, and excessive consumption, without considering portion sizes, can lead to an excess of calories, potentially contributing to weight gain or hindering weight loss efforts. Number 13. Diversity in diet. Relying heavily on rice may limit the variety of nutrients and phytochemicals you obtain from a more diverse diet, including a range of grains, fruits, vegetables, proteins, and fats, can help ensure a comprehensive nutrient profile. Number 14. Culinary preparation and nutrient retention. The way rice is prepared can impact its nutritional value. Overcooking or discarding cooking water can result in nutrient loss, particularly water-soluble vitamins like B vitamins. Number 15. Blood cholesterol levels. Brown rice and other whole grains can contribute to healthier blood cholesterol levels due to their fiber content and potential to reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol.